Alright, let me show you how to graph a compound inequality on the number line and how to express a compound inequality using interval notation. So the first inequality you see right here, this is a compound inequality. Compound inequality means the variable is sandwiched between two numbers. So -4, x, -6. So x is between -4 and +6. So you are looking for numbers that is between -4 and +6. So since there is no equal, we are not including -4 and +6. So for the number line, if this is your first time seeing number line, you should watch the previous video because I introduced how a number line works in the previous video. So -4, so look for -4, that is right here, and then +6, that is right here. You want numbers between -4 and +6, so x must be greater than -4, right? So these numbers are greater than -4 and they are less than +6. So looking for the numbers between them, then you just connect these two open circle, and then that's it. That is how you graph this compound inequality on the number line. And then the interval, so since there is no equal, we will be using an open interval. So that is -4, comma 6. So this is called an open interval. So for an interval, we always put small numbers on the left, big numbers on the right, separate them by a comma, because that reflects to the number line. You have 0 in the middle, small number on the left, big number on the right. So as you are looking to the left hand side, the numbers are getting smaller and smaller, right? So as you are looking to the right hand side, the numbers are getting bigger and bigger. So that's why small on the left, big on the right. The next compound inequality, what happened when you put an equal underneath the less than? So that means we are including -4 and +6. So including -4, and then the colors don't match. That's the right one. Including -4 and then including +6, and then we want every number between them. So that includes all the decimals, right? Like the 1/2, the -2/3, those numbers. Okay, so this is -4 and +6, square bracket on both. This is called a closed interval. For the solid circle and the open circle, sometimes we call this an open circle, a closed circle. Okay, so including -4 and 6, so we use a solid dot to include the -4, a solid dot to include the 6. When you use interval, you use a square bracket to include -4 and +6. All right, so how about less than and a less than or equal to? Simple. So -7, no equal, and then 0 has a equal. So we want everything between them. Okay, so this is -7, 0, square bracket. All right, and then the last one, -5, including -5. All right, so let me move this up a little bit so I can have space to include that. That's the right color. So -5, include that, and then the 1/2 means 0.5. That would be like right here. So this is 1/2. We want everything between them, so that is the right one. And then this is a -5, and then a 1/2. Okay, so I have to mention this. The difference between a handwritten answer and a textbook answer is, for the textbook, they will just do the work on the number line. So they will just do it like this. So just follow my highlighter. They will just do the work like this. So -4, 6, and then include them, which is way too hard to see, right? And sometimes they will do this, parenthesis, and then draw a line between them. That is way too hard to see, right? And then for the next one, they might do this, close interval, include all the numbers between them. I don't like it. That is too hard to read. Okay, sometimes they might do a open, close, solid circle, and then draw a line between these two solid circle. Again, this is way too hard to read. So what I recommend you to do when you do your work on a piece of paper, just put the answer above the number line. So that is way easier to read. But when you do homework online, especially you do homework online, they would like you to just graph on the line. All right, when I do my work, I will just put the word above the line. Okay, let's practice a little bit more. So for practice, what do I mean is, so after you get enough practice, you do not need to write every single number out. So let me show you what do I mean by that. So from -20 to 5, you definitely don't want to write all the numbers from -20 to 5, right? That is wasting time. So I will just draw a number line and then do that. So this is a -20, this is a +5, including -20, including 5. So look how convenient it is. So this is done. That is a -20 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 5. I use an equal, so solid circle on both, and then square bracket -20 to 5. All right, and then the next one, -3/2 to 0. So -3/2, open circle, 0, solid circle between them. So this is a -3/2 less than x less than or equal to 0. -3/2, 0, square bracket. All right, the 130. So number line, let's switch color a little bit. So we have a number line, -130, -50, including -130, not including -50. Alrighty. So this is from -130 to -50. There you go. And then 1/2 and 3/2. All right. This is 1/2, 3/2. I just put small numbers on the left, big numbers on the right. No equal, then open circle, open circle. I want all the numbers between them. This is from 1/2 to 3/2. Okay, 2 more to go. Switch color again. 6, 20.4. Okay, number line, 6, 20.4, 6, 20.4, all the numbers between them. So 6, comma, 20.4. There you go. And then the last one, let's switch things up. Let's use equal right here, shall we? So that is 13.4. 13.4, and then 40.9. So since I add an equal, then this is a solid circle, this is an open circle, every number between them. So you have 13.4, comma, 40.9, square bracket. There you go. So once again, equal, you use a solid circle. No equal, you use an open circle. Open circle reflects to a parenthesis, solid circle reflects to a square bracket. But whenever you go all the way to positive or negative infinity, since infinity is not an exact value, like I mentioned in the previous video, we always use parenthesis on infinity. All right, so that is the end of this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up, subscribe, stay tuned. I will see you all in the next one.